Hiya, this is Birchbox, March 2018. I keep meaning to stop the subscription and I keep forgetting and it turns up each month, but I really must do that. So, pretty design. Let's have a look to see what's inside. Okay, go straight for this one. Black mask. I think I've had this before. Oh, Pussycat's turned up. Hello, B. You want to have a look? Minimise your mirror time with active charcoal mask designed to treat toxin and draw out impurities instantly. I do think I've had this before, but there we are. That's cool. Let's have the paperwork. Are you right, Merlin? Where have you been? Are you a good boy? Oh, sorry, little paws. Okay, up to £25 back when you order from the Birchbox store. And there's that. Thank you is the code. Let's try and get the other one out. Right. Upside down. What we get for looking at a pussycat. Be present, not perfect. Nobody's perfect. Okay, so there we are. Recommended retail is £14, but that is just a trial size, as normal. Okay, so the next one is a Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Volumizing mascara. Couldn't say that then. So there's that one. Their mascaras are not bad, to be honest. I've got a fair few of them now. They've all been pretty good. So let's have a look at the wand on this one. If I can open it. That's what teeth are for. Okay. Let's pop that out. Let's have a look at the brush. Here we are. That's ever such a fine brush. Doesn't look bad though. Quite like those sometimes, especially for the lower lashes. Make life a bit easier to get accurate. Oh, missed the tube. Look at the pussycat while I'm doing that. I've now managed to get mascara on my finger. All over. Look. So mucky. Okay. So this one is £21.50 recommended retail. Just wiggle from roots to tips for impact look that will last up to 36 hours. Well, that's a bit naughty. You shouldn't have your makeup on that long, should you? Honestly. Right, so now we've got Glam Glow. Clearing Treatment. Super Mud. From Hollywood, California. Okay, apply a thin layer to clear skin, leave on for 5 to 20 minutes, use as a full face mask 1 to 3 times a week, or spot treatment. Okay, avoid the eye area, it says. So, where are we on that one? There we are. Recommended retail is £42. That's quite a lot. Okay. So we'll give that a try. Again, tiny weeny tiny bottle. The next one. His face. Look at his ears. What's your ears doing, Merlin? What's this? Put it on his nose. Okay, so the next one is Aubrey. Après Beach Wave and Shine Spray. Okay. Let's have a look on the paper. Again, it's a trial size. Recommended £36. Okay. It's a 2-in-1 formula. Works on wet or dry hair to create the natural, unfussy appearance of beach waves. So messy hair. without the crispy effects of salt water. Just give the can a good shake, spray it on, and work through your fingers for a tussled finish. Well, I'll give that a go, that's for sure. Last but not least, Nooks. I've had a few of their things before. I have no idea what those words say. Oh, are you right, darling? You want to see? He's a good boy. What's the paws doing? What's this paw doing? Little monkey. It's a body scrub. Recommended retails £19.50. Of course, it's not a full size because nothing's a full size. Again, a great body scrub is a real pamper night must-have. This one uses sugar crystals and rice grains. Well, at least it's not plastic, which is a really good thing. To gently exfoliate dull skin and renew your natural radiance. So, yeah, I'm definitely going to give that a go. I approve that it's not plastic, but it's still in a plastic pot. But can't have everything. But little by little, these companies are sorting that out, thankfully. And, yeah, we'll give that a go. So, all in all, though, yeah, I'm going to try all of them. All of those things, you know. But they're all teensy tinies. And you can choose April a Model Co baked highlighter. See, again, I don't use the shiny stuff. So I really do need to sort myself out and get this cancelled. Because, you know, these things are just so dinky. And yes, it is nice to try these things. But, you know, it's just teensy tiny. Nothing's full size. Unlike this pussycat. He's more than full sized, aren't you, Barney? He's a little pussycat. Okay, well, please like, subscribe. I've been told that the glossy box is on its way. So we'll have that video as soon as it arrives. Hopefully it will come Monday. But we'll see. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.